Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Kim. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is going to be super fast. I just wanted to show how to get rid of this weather. I'm not sure what you even call it. It's like a little widget that's showing up on Windows 10 after you do the upgrade. I think it's the June 2021 upgrade. This comes, and if you click on it, it gives you all sorts of sports and information, see more news, etc. I personally don't like things like this running on my computer, so I wanted to get rid of it. It's super easy. So right mouse click anywhere on the taskbar where there's nothing, one of the blank areas, and then you go right up here to news and interests. And right now it says show icon and text. You can show the icon only, or you can just turn it off. Turn it off and it's gone. Voila. So that's all you have to do. It's super easy. Clean up your taskbar. You don't have to keep it there. And if you want it back, just right mouse click on the taskbar, news and interest, and you can click which one you want. I'm going to leave it off because I don't want it. So anyways, there you go. That's all for this video. Hope that was helpful.